Are you okay? Okay. Today I thought it'd be fun to show y'all our chicken coop extravaganza here. This is a carport that we just built a little door on and then wrapped in chicken wire. We just made some upgrades to it, so I'll show you what we've been up to. This is our hen gear roll-away nesting box. The eggs roll away so they don't get pooped on.
They land.
Show how they roll.
And they roll.
Yeah. Oh, you couldn't see it. Oh, your arm blocked it again.
They lay their egg and then they go.
There it is.
And then so they don't poop on them or anything.
So you can shut this at night so they don't go in there. But the chickens have been like opening it and then getting in anyway. So we need to like latch it or like just put a rock in front or something. But it's pretty sweet. Inside this mat, that mat comes out. You can spray it off because it gets all crappy. We just added this little roost for them right here. Lovely, lovely. And we have a solar powered door so they can go outside. And out there we just put up solar electric fence. So they've got this area. I'll go out there and show you that.
Show them the feet. Show them the feet.
Real quick. This is our watering bucket. It's an old oil pan that we never used. Nice and clean. And then Joy just got this all set up for us. This is our feed. It's a mixture of different bulk stuff that we got from Azure. So there's sunflower seeds, millet, kelp, some peas, and we just mix it up and then put it in a 5-gallon bucket, soak it overnight, and then it's good to go. So that's the feed. And hey, oh, there's a chicken. Oh. They kind of got out while we were messing around building stuff. So this is the solar electric fence. It's from Premier One Fencing. It's off right now. It's got 2 settings, high and low. And we just put a ground in and then attach this to the gate, and then it's good to go. So yeah, this is gonna be a garden next year, so I figured chickens can come and poop on it, get it ready for us. We've got some black locusts coming in and a bunch of willow because this was a giant burn pile. So there's still some stuff to clean out in here to get ready for growing, but over winter they'll be here hanging out. And yeah, I think that's it. Is there anything else to say about this? Oh, it's on wheels. That's the best part. Got these bike tires and just screwed them into this wood. And all this wood we just, I mean, it's all scrap from our house build, so we just threw it together. And all the chicken wire is just zip tied on. So yeah, low budget chicken fence option. This thing is charging right now. It opens and closes with the sun, hopefully, so they can come out and play. So yeah, that's our chicken operation for now. Hopefully we'll get it down in the meadow down there someday, but it's nice and convenient here. When it starts freezing, it's hard to get water to them, so we have a little antifreeze spigot that I just put in, and we're keeping everything close to home. Keep an eye on it. And the main thing that we have to deal with here is predators. So we had chickens kind of just free ranging in a fence like this out way further, and we didn't lock them up at night, and they all got eaten eventually. So this, I think, is going to be better. Hopefully it's more secure. So yeah, that's it for chickens. Hopefully we'll be adding more, maybe 100 chickens or so we can start selling at the market next year. But when we get those chicks, I'll make another video and they'll go in a different spot. So that's what we're experimenting with today, trying it out, seeing how it goes. The cool thing about this carport is that it has like zip up sides over here, so if it gets too hot you can zip it up, unzip it and cool them off, and then there's a back panel that we can cover up too if it gets too cold. So that's what we're doing. Kids are out here cooking or warming up chicken for lunch on a little stove. Pretty sweet deal.
Daddy, it needs to be flipped.
You need to flip the chicken? There's a pitchfork.
No.
All right. Okay, quick update on the chicken coop. It's in our front yard now and it's destroyed. We had a bit of a windstorm. Guess we're still sort of having it right now. Hey, look, a lawn chair. And the chicken coop blew into our front yard. So it's all broken and I need to figure out how to get it out of the garden. It blew over the fence. It was over there, if you remember. Over the fence, rolled in, landed right like this. So the wood's broken. I think I can get it out this way, take down the fence there, but I don't want to ruin Joy's dahlias. So it was a little bit too light. So I need to figure out how to make a mobile chicken coop that is heavy enough to not blow away, but light enough to move. So that's my current predicament. I'll show you the one that didn't blow away that I made earlier, and it might be the direction we're going. So this is an old trailer that I put a shed roof on and some roosts inside, and this is a little door for the solar, so I don't have to come open and close this every day. And it didn't blow away, so might do that. It was a little small for the amount of chickens we wanted, but if we keep opening them up to this fence, should be all right. This thing, the hen gear nesting box, like fell out here when it rolled upside down, and it's pretty okay. It's not made exactly for that situation, but there was a chicken inside of it when we came out, and the chicken was okay. She was a little bit frazzled, but she hopped right out and was like, what in the heck was that? And she had a little cut on her toe, but other than that she was fine. So bit of a chaotic day. It literally blew over the day after I recorded the video. So here we are, starting over. Chickens are all okay. Still have their space. They have an indoor space to stay dry. But yeah, my big monster coop didn't have the girth to hold itself down. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I have to go back to the drawing board on this one. But figured I'd make an update since this video was on my mind. Haven't published it yet, so here we are. Oh, I also made a air pruning bed the other day, so it's open on the bottom, so when the roots get down this deep they will self-prune, so I can put all sorts of seeds and stuff, because once you start buying trees, and if you want to do hundreds of them, you'll run out of money real fast. So starting them from seed or from cuttings is going to be the way to go. But yeah, I'm going to get out of the rain now, and we'll see you guys later. Okay, part 3 of the chicken coop saga. I don't know how I'm going to edit this together, but we got our chicken coop put back together, and I'll just show you kind of the upgrades. to the, yeah, I made a video of when it fell apart. Show you the upgrades to the system so it won't blow away anymore. Turning off our solar so we don't shock ourselves. Okay. So we remade the frame. It's actually a little bit easier to see now with these 6x6 chainsaw milled skids that have been behind the sawmill for 20 years. Everything, this frame is now 2x6 instead of 2x3. This is mounted better, and then we'll put the canopy back on. It's a little bent, but we're just gonna rock it because all the chicken wire is all set up, and that will put the solar door back in. So here we are, back at it again. We're gonna see if we have any eggs this morning.
3
eggs. And so I can't roll this by myself or drag it because it's like 400 pounds now. So I put some climbing rope through these big chunky skids, and I can pull it with the Polaris or the quad. So here's this little rope. With 2 people you can actually, 2 grown men can drag it, but I literally just drilled a hole, put a knot on the backside. There you go.
Hook it over the hitch.
But this is where it'll stay. This is where we'll stay for the winter to prep our garden beds, and then we'll be dragging it around starting in the spring probably to get them out to eating grass and stuff. But they've got a bit to keep them entertained in here. There's still some grass and bushes they can play with. So that is the chicken coop. For now, if anything changes in the next few days before I post this video, I'll make an update. But that's been our week of chicken drama. Hopefully it's done and we can move on to bigger and better things.